Hello and welcome to this tutorial on setting up Firebase for Flutter. Firebase is a powerful platform for building mobile and web applications, and it offers a wide range of features such as authentication, database, storage, hosting, and more. By integrating Firebase with your Flutter app, you can easily leverage these features to create a robust and scalable application. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to set up Firebase for your Flutter project and show you how to use Firebase services in your app. So let's get started. To set up Firebase for Flutter project, go to firebase.com and go to Console. Add a project, enter your project name. Enable Google Analytics and create project. Firebase can be added to Flutter in 3 ways, which we'll talk about in this video. Adding the Android package name is the first thing we need to do. Go to VS Code, Android app, build Gradle, then scroll down and copy application add. Now download Google Services JSON file. Drag Google Services JSON file to Android and app file. Copy this and go to Android, build Gradle, and paste to default config. Copy this and go to Android app, build Gradle, and add to apply plugin. Copy this and go to Android app, build Gradle, and add to dependencies. Now get package Firebase authentication. Go to main and add widgets Flutter binding ensure initialized and Firebase initialize app. Go to Android app, build Gradle, change mine SDK version to 21. If you enjoyed this tutorial on setting up Firebase for Flutter, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. Your support helps us create more valuable tutorials like this one, so thank you in advance for your engagement.